From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's closing print. You know what? After the big gap up this morning and the initial run-up, the S&P failed. And then it continued to fail and not hold any of the rallies all into the latter parts into the afternoon. And then late in the day, in came a late sell program that pushed the S&P futures back down toward its lows. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1648.30 mid-morning. The low came in at 1638.30 mid-morning, and last were 1641 even. We're up 2.4 handles. Total volume, we've got 1.85 million minis, and we've got 8,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit, but 6,000 of that is coming from the S&P spread. So we've only got 2,000 in the pit traded. MOC, we had a measly 61 million to buy. Tomorrow we've got the MBIF Small Business Index, we've got the Redbook, we've got Wholesale Trade, we've got a 3-year bond auction, and then tomorrow we've got, we all know, Turnaround Tuesday, which Tuesdays have been up 18 out of the last 21 Tuesdays, with an average gain of 9.3 handles and an average daily loss of 3.9 handles. How does that look? How does that work? But anyways, you know what? At the end of the day, it was an extremely low volume grind. Going into the close in the New York Stock Exchange, they only had 400 million shares traded. So we suspect tomorrow will pick up a little bit. And then last but not least, it seems like Mondays and Fridays are a low volume day. So we'll just see tomorrow when we look at the volume. See you tomorrow on the opening print.